Okay, so we got a job to do today. Well, it's time to fix a vacuum cleaner. Of course, if I can, but I'll try to do my best. It's a very strange noise coming from this machine. I really don't know what is happening. Let's see what's happening. It feels like something stuck into the fan. It's a really strange noise over here. Okay, cover your ears. This is really crazy. Let me start with checking the filters. This is the output filter here. And it feels like already fixed that. Yes, so the problem is this little filter over here. This one got full with dust, and it starts effectively whistling. And of course the panic came in. Strange sound. The sound, it's perfect now. That's how a good motor should sound. So this is a very easy fix. You can use the vacuum itself. So all you have to do is to clean this a little bit. Just put it on. And I think that's enough. Back in place. That's the place over here. Cover on, and let's hear it. Perfect. That's the most easy fix ever possible for a vacuum cleaner. When you hear this high pitch whistling sound, that should be the filter going from the motor to the environment. That's a very good filter for having the small dust particles, in the air. Thank you for now. Hope it's useful. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Until the next time, bye bye.